What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren and I am back with another video. So basically I'm going to be showing you guys all of my nail supplies. This is everything you need to do your nails at home. Now there's so many more things that I want, and there's also things that like you guys don't even need to do your nails at home. I just did extra because I actually like doing my nails, so I wanted to learn like different techniques, but you don't need all of this. I'll start with the very basics of like what you need. But before we get into that, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and remember to cherish your body and love your skin, because baby girl, that is where it all begins. And fitness is a lifestyle, but body positivity, baby, is an attitude. Now, let's get right into it. Okay, so make sure y'all already like and subscribe, because this video is gonna be super good, and if you want more videos like this, you need to be subscribed, okay? And also follow me on TikTok. I've been way more active on there. Also follow me on Instagram, it'll be on the screen. I'm way more active on those things than here, mostly TikTok. So yeah, I just want to start off with the very basic of how you can do your nails. So when I started doing my nails from home, instantly I'm like, press-ons. Press-ons are so cheap, y'all. Like less than $10 or $10. If you want to get higher end press-ons, which I don't recommend, go for it. Like it's your world, honey, okay? But you can just start with something simple like press-ons. So these press-ons I purchased from Dashing Diva. I can never remember their name, but I'll have it on the screen. And not sponsored by them. Nothing in this video is sponsored. This came from my own pocket, okay? But their press-ons are pretty good. The only thing I would say is over time they begin to, say I got like coffin nails, right? Like these are coffin nails. Over time they go from coffin shape to almond, but I don't mind. I think my nails look pretty with both types of shapes, but just keep that in mind that your nails can go from coffin to almond shape just over time. Say you wear the nails for about 2 to 3 weeks, by the 3rd week it's gonna be looking like almond, but it's still gonna be cute, okay? Dashing Diva, Walgreens, Target, Walmart, there's so many places you can find cheap press-on nails, so make sure you guys check out those places and save your coins. While we're on press-on nails, I just want to say, in my opinion, Kiss, K-I-S-S, has some really good press-on nails at a really good price point if you're on a budget. And I love their pink nail glue. It comes in every package. Their nails also come with glue. They also have pink gel glue, and it pretty much works the same way, but I just wanted to point out that I really also love Kiss nails and highly recommend if you are on a budget. Let's get into some other things that I bought. So I bought this little nail set from the beauty supply store for $3.99, and I highly recommend this set. Can I open it up? Can I open it up for y'all or no? I highly recommend this set. It comes with some nail clippers, it comes with a nail filer, a tweezer, a small scissor, and I think this is to clean your cuticles. But I highly recommend this set because it's just a very basic $4 nail kit that you can use. Like if you're like, honey, I'm on a budget, I just want to do my press-ons, like I don't care about all of that, get the most basic nail kit in the world, and I promise you, you won't need anything else, okay? So that was $4. Another thing that I feel like if you just want to do press-on nails, this little brush comes in handy when I want to like wash. I always wash my hands before I do my actual nails, and so this brush definitely comes in handy. And I believe I got this from like a Dollar Tree or something. It came in a pack of 2, and I just used a smaller brush for my nails, okay? So super cheap, on a budget. And you will also need cuticle oil. I got this cuticle oil from Walgreens. I can't remember how much it was, but I'm pretty sure it was less than $5. 10 out of 10 recommend cuticle oil. This is Sally Henson's cuticle oil, but you can pretty much get any cuticle oil and it'll do the job. When you do your nails, it makes a big difference when you're all done and you throw on that cuticle oil. I promise you, you need cuticle oil. This will be another thing. Cotton balls. I get into what I bought in replacement of cotton balls, but cotton balls, you cannot go wrong. You're gonna need to clean your nails with cotton balls and also alcohol. okay? Rubbing alcohol. I get the, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that word. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not even gonna try. But let me see if it focuses. This is the type of alcohol I get. I get it from Target. You can get it from Walmart. You can probably get it from probably even the dollar store or a beauty supply store. So super inexpensive. And these are just like the very basic supplies that you need to get your press-ons on and do your thing. I would also say acetone, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Always have a bottle of acetone, especially if you are getting into doing your nails. But acetone does not help me get my press-on nails off. I don't know what it is, but I'm always struggling to remove my press-on nails. Acetone has never helped me, okay? Unless the nail pops off by itself, I'm always struggling, y'all. I don't know what it is. I've soaked my hands, I've done everything, but I'll get into why this acetone will still be very much helpful when you are doing your nails. So you will still need acetone if you want to soak off gelx nails, or if you decide to use acrylic and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend still having acetone to clean nails and soak off. In replacement of cotton balls, I bought this from Amazon. It's lint-free nail wipes. I 10 out of 10 recommend this thing, and I'll tell you why. When you're using a cotton ball, it's very like, did y'all just see all that? I don't think y'all can see all the lint, but like I just pulled it apart and instantly dust all over the air, right? Cotton balls turn into this. They're super annoying when you're painting your nails, when you're doing all that stuff. So have it on deck, because you're gonna need cotton balls for other things when you're doing your nails. But in terms of cleaning up your nails and stuff like that, nail wipes, okay? Get these lint-free nail wipes. And guess what, guys? Every product that I will be showing you guys, you can find on my Amazon storefront, unless it's like small things like cotton ball rolls or my press-on nails. I'll tell you guys if I got it from anywhere else. But everything that I list in this video, you can find on my Amazon storefront. The link will be in my description box, but everything that I got from Amazon is on my Amazon storefront, okay? I created a nails on the budget section just for you guys, so it'll be easy and super quick to find. Next, while we're talking about cleaning up nails, I got these things, and I'll take one out of the package just to show you guys what it looks like. But this is this, okay? It's like a tiny Q-tip almost. Think of it like a really micro tiny Q-tip. And this also helps with cleaning up the nails. So I haven't used it yet, as you guys can see. I just bought a lot of these products, but I'll be using it in my next video. But this really helps. I've seen it on, I think, TikTok, and I was like, I have to get that. Let's move on to some tools that I bought. Very excited about the tools that I bought. So I went ahead and invested in a nail clipper. This one is so cute. I've been into like this rainbow sort of ombre-ish theme with my tools, so you guys will see that in my other tools as well. But it's super cute and it works like a charm. I love this thing. I've heard that they have nail clippers that can measure like the nail for you, so you don't have to like do this and guess. I would invest in that. Personally, I'm pretty good at measuring my nails, so I don't care to get it right now, but that would be a good investment if you're not good at, like, you know, measuring your nails. I got this nail kit from Amazon. I know it's a cuticle cleaner. I use this to push my cuticles back and kind of clean around my nails. Not gonna lie, I have not used, let's see, I have not used this one yet. I just haven't found a use for it yet. I feel like when I start doing my feet, I'll probably have a use for it, but honestly, haven't found a use for it right now. And of course, you have this cuticle cutter, which works like a charm. I love it so much. 10 out of 10, recommend, guys. This kit is so cute. And you guessed it, you can find it on Amazon. Everything that I have here is pretty much from Amazon. Next thing that I would invest in, now these aren't the nail filers that I see a lot of people use. I haven't invested in the cute like chunky ones yet, but this has been getting the job done for me, so go for it. I'm pretty sure I got this from like a dollar store or something, so you can pretty much find it anywhere. Next, let's get into some more tools. So This is a nail kit that I got from Amazon. It is pretty much like a kit of brushes. I'll open it up for you guys. And it comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 6 different brushes. So on top, they're like these brushes, and there's different sizes, so you can do different designs and stuff like that. And then on the bottom, there's these little metal circular points, so you can definitely do a lot of different designs with those. And this was actually on sale, which is part of the reason why I bought it. A lot of these items that you guys see right here were on sale, so I always try to catch those sales because you never know when something is not gonna be on sale. Super excited to see what type of designs I can now do with these. This is a nail gun, not a nail gun, nail drill. Okay, I knew it was something. This is a nail drill that I got from Amazon. It's from Airc or something. So super cute. This cost me less than $30. It was about like 20 something. And this is just another way to file your nails, but it came with a bunch of these things, and it also came with a little kit like this. So you have different things that you can do with the nail drill. Okay, so I love that so much. 10 out of 10. Recommend this little nail drill. I haven't had any issues with it thus far. I also invested in this little Beetles nail light, and I actually want to show you guys how it works. So if I plug it in, you just put your nail here, and it's to basically cure one nail at a time. So when I get into these things, which I'll explain next, I can just cure it one nail at a time. Okay, so that's how that works. And I got this gelx. So I'm getting into gelx nails. You guys see? I'm getting into gelx nails, and I am super excited, y'all. Like, I'm so happy. I'm gonna be doing them today. So if you want to see that video, be sure to watch my next video. Subscribe. For some of you, by the time you watch this, both of those videos are gonna be out, so go find it. I'm so excited, guys. I am finally getting to gelx nails. I will probably explain more about it in my next video and why I'm so excited and why it's better than my friend press-ons here. But either one works. It's really a preference thing. Next, let's just talk about this light that I got. So I like this one because I'm very much one of those people where, you know, the ones that's kind of like enclosed right here, like it looks like this, it has like a back on it. This one does not have that back, and I like that because I'm very much the person to push my fingers. My fingers are really long, so I'm always having trouble to gauge, like, is my thumb in all the way, is my middle finger in, and sometimes I push back to the back of like the wall on some of the lights, and it's super irritating. So with this, I won't do that because my finger can just go right through, and I can just make sure that it's there. So that's the plus to getting one that looks like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It has a power button here, and you can do 30 seconds or 60 seconds. So super nice. I recommend. Now, another thing while I'm on this topic that I have to talk about, I need to get the UV light gloves when I'm doing my nails. And you guys are like, what is that? It's basically like these black gloves. Your fingers poke out of them, and it's to protect you from the UV light. So I need to get that, but I didn't get it yet. Okay, let's see what else we have. I bought this cute little thing from Target. It was $3, so I'm like, oh, I can find some use for that. Basically, I keep my polishes in there so far, and yeah. So I bought these cute little glass containers to put the acetone in. Super cute, super inexpensive. Find it on my Amazon storefront. And let's see what else I have in here. I have Nail Prep Dehydrator Acid Free Primer Kit. This is super important. I won't get into the details, but if you plan on doing any type of nails, definitely recommend dehydrator and primer. And I just have some polishes that I got from Beetles on Amazon. Their store is pretty popular on Amazon. I have more colors, but just to show you guys, like, that is what I have. This is like a transparent nude set of colors. So you have some tans, you have light pink, stuff like that, and a white one, because I want to do some natural nails. And then I have my white nail polish, because I think I want to do some French tips. And then I have my nail glue. And then I have my top coat gel, my gel top coat. So yeah, these two things came in one set. Okay, so look on my Amazon storefront for those. That is everything I've invested in so far for my nails. And I'm super excited. I just want to save money. I want to do my own thing, become my own boss. This year is about road to luxury, and what that looks like is doing your nails yourself, for one. And just saving money in areas that you can save money in, okay? So if you want to be on that road to luxury with me, be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and let's get it, honey. Let's do our own nails. Let's become our own bosses. And trust me, if I can do my own nails, you can do your own nails too, okay? It ain't rocket science, baby girl. But thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys in my next video of me actually doing my nails. Love you guys. Bye.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.